Google Chat, there is a two mode. One is comfortable mode, another is compact mode. Usually by default, it's a comfortable mode. You can see more space in the left bar, conversation list and home. But the compact mode, you can see actually more messages. Let's see how to change comfortable mode to compact mode. If we go to the Google Chat and there is an option is setting and go to the appearance. By default it's comfortable mode, but you can change to compact mode for see more message actually. Like if you select here, you can see yes, now it's more spaces.